Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, I hope you're ready to go penny shopping today because in this video, we're going to be taking a look at over 100 surprise penny items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week, and I have already uploaded several other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, new glitches, run deals, new clearance markdowns, a huge penny list, P&G spin deals, plus 5 off $25 scenarios. And now we're looking at tons of surprise pennies. So if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so if you are new to penny shopping at Dollar General, please keep in mind that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items, penny sales, penny lists, etc., etc. Whatever you want to call it, we are not going to talk to the employees about it. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General stores, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, scan the item with your Dollar General app, and if the price shows up at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And of course, if you need the penny policy, that is always posted over on the community tab, so go and check it out. Now, we are already looking at all of these surprise penny items. The pictures and the UPCs are scrolling across your screen here, guys, and there are over 100, close to 150 items in this one video. So you really just need to get out there and scan, because I'm telling you all, this is absolutely crazy. Now, your girl stayed up extra late last night. I got up super duper early this morning to put together even more visuals to share with you all. So I've been working really hard, and hopefully you guys can get out there and get some amazing hauls today. And if you do, don't forget about your girl. Send me a picture. I want to see it. You can send it to my Instagram, which is at Craz-E Coupons, or my email, which is crazecoupons1@gmail.com. Now, typically during times like this, word gets out about penny shopping, and we will have a lot of brand new penny shoppers joining in our crew here. So I thought this video would be perfect to just go over a few tips and tricks while we're taking a look at all these surprise pennies. So, jumping back to the beginning of the video, remember that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items. And that is for your own good, okay? Penny shopping is supposed to kind of be a secret. Penny items are discontinued items that are supposed to be removed from the sales floor by the employees before we find them. But if we find them first, we can purchase them for just 1 penny. So it's kind of like a little secret treasure hunt. So that's why you don't want to go in and start talking to the employees and asking questions about penny items or penny sales or penny lists or anything like that, because the first thing that those employees are going to do is they're going to run through the store and try to pull all of those penny items before you get to them. Now, next up, it is very important that you make sure you have your correct store location set, because YMMV. Your miles may vary. So you might go into one store this morning, find an item that is a penny, go to the next store down the road, find the exact same item at that second store, but at the second store, it's ringing at full price. So you always want to make sure that you have your correct store location set in your app and scan to double check before you go up to the register. Now, my third and final tip for you all today is to simply be kind. Be kind to the employees, be kind to other penny shoppers, help each other out, and always leave the store a little bit nicer than it was when you walked in. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about these surprise penny items. As I'm sure most of y'all have noticed, we have a few little categories that are included. We have a lot of health products, a lot of medicines. We have a few personal care products so far. We do have a couple of baby items and food items. So it is literally just random across the board. My advice to you is to get out there, go to your clearance section, and just scan. And also, while you're scanning, don't forget to check for coupons and cashback offers and make sure that you have all those things clipped to your account. Now, I have included several in this video, and man, we have huge overages out there today with these penny items and coupon matchups. So don't forget, the overage will only apply if you are at an old register store. And don't forget that we never ever let the cashier give us cash back. They can get in trouble for that. All you need to do is add something else into your transaction for that overage to apply to. Now, if it is a cashback offer, you don't have to worry about that. All you need to do is remember to type in your phone number when you go up to check out, and then once the transaction is completed, you'll get your cash back in your wallet on the DG app. Now, also, don't forget to be on the lookout for all of those items that pennied out on Tuesday, because like I said at the beginning of the video, we had a huge penny list this week. So be on the lookout for those Christmas items. We still have home decor, socks, apparel, candy, food, all kinds of hidden clearance items within that Christmas category. Plus, we have all of those disinfecting wipes. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. Alright guys, now we're almost to the end of the video, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second and let you all know that there are more visuals coming your way. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.